Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Jennifer Song. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and clinical researcher. Over the last year, the movement of diversity, equity, and inclusion has prompted a new and refreshing focus in dermatology to look at the many different shades of skin color. It's an exciting time as a researcher and educator because we're understanding skin conditions in the context of skin color and type. However, in my conversations with my colleagues across the country, with dermatologists and researchers as well, I found that the meaning of skin of color can mean different things to different people. Some people use the term skin of color to refer to Black skin only. And what about Hispanics? And what about other lighter beige tones like Asian skin? When I use the term skin of color with my very own patients, like Asian, Southeast Asian, or Hispanic patients, they look at me and say, "What are you talking about, Dr. Song? I don't have Black skin." So the term skin of color is very exclusive rather than being inclusive of all the many different skin tones. And that's why I'm proposing new language, diverse skin tones. From a dermatology perspective, our focus is simply on the biology of the skin. The word skin of color may be tied to the country's long, ugly, and complicated history of race and racism. Instead, I want to be able to accurately describe someone's skin tone. Start using diverse skin tones instead of skin of color to celebrate this movement of inclusivity. Thank you, everyone.